How to delete Remitly account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Remitly account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Remitly account, all you have to do is simply open up your Remitly app over here. Once you open the Remitly app, you're going to see this type of interface. Then after you see the Remitly application load up, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up fully. You want to tap the gear icon from the bottom right that says My Remitly, so just tap on the gear icon here. Once you tap on the icon, if you look at the very top, you'll have a section which says profile information. Just tap on profile information. Under profile information, wait for the page to load up. Scroll down all the way to the very bottom, you'll find a section called close my profile. All you have to do is just tap on the close my profile button over here. Once you tap the close my profile button, understand the terms and conditions, agree to it, tap on the red close my profile button. Once you've done that, your Remitly account is going to be permanently deleted and you're not going to be able to retrieve it back. So just double check it and then just make sure everything is correct. And that is it for today's video on how you can close your Remitly account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.